Dear friends, welcome to Infos. Welcome to another video from Infos and Oil and Gas training series. In this video, we are discussing about part 2, process safety management part 2. In that, process knowledge and documentation. Welcome to this video. Process knowledge and documentation. Information necessary for safe design, operation and maintenance of any facility should be written, reliable, current and easily accessible by people who need to use it. Process safety information is needed in the following areas. So each and every area, this process safety information is required. It should be written, reliable, simple to read and understand. So number one, process documentation, process knowledge and documentation. One is chemical and occupational health hazard. This is normally takes the form of material safety data sheet, MSDS. You can see in the right side MSDS data sheet. You can see. MSDS for every potentially hazardous material used, stored or produced at a site, plus information on reactivity, chemical and physical properties for use by those involved in process development and design. That means it is a various type of chemicals using in industry or producing in industry or whatever it is. So it has to mention that one required what are the health hazard, fire hazard or reactivity, or what are the personal protective equipment can use. Not only this much of information, from where it is manufacturing, what it is manufacturing, what is the expiry date, what is the emergency contact number, what are the precautions we can take. So many information required in MSDS, especially in specialty chemical industry. MSDS is a mandatory required document. So this is the number one document in process knowledge and documentation. So chemical and occupational health hazard. Number two, process definition and design criteria. This is also a documentation or knowledge and information required. This is the information needed to operate a facility within its design range and to enable potential changes to be properly reviewed for their impact on the facility's safety and reliability. Minimum information required. You can see here a drawing. So it is a process flow diagram. This is, you can see, a simple process flow diagram. So the PFD is giving the information of providing the information of from where the drawing starting or process is starting, and what are the different various equipment and other details of the process. Then finally the product or byproduct or whatever it is producing. So these details we can get it from a PFD. So then safe upper and lower limits of level, temperature, pressure and flow, time, cycle and composition. Some PFD may provide that one, some PFD may not, but another drawing P&ID can provide these details. So various safeguarding conditions like process variable, level, temperature, pressure and flow mainly. Some other composition as well will give the details of safeguard and operating parameter details. Evaluation of the effect, including those on health, safety and environment of operating outside of this safe limit. So all HSE information, if the process is deviating from the normal operating condition to abnormal condition, so that also can provide. Process chemistry, including process stability and chemistry of side reaction, byproduct and contaminants and potential reactivity hazard. So this information also can well written and provide in detail and simplified way. Maximum intended inventory also, material and energy balance, definitely that is very important. Third one is process and equipment design. This covers the data needed to ensure and maintain the mechanical and process integrity of the equipment. At a facility, minimum information requirements are piping and instrumentation diagram, P and ID. P and ID you can see from in the right side. I provided a sample here. You can see here in the P and ID what is the difference between PFD means it will show the most of the instruments like see level transmitter, level controller, level control valve, then LT, LC, then pressure transmitter, pressure controller, pressure control valve. Some alarms also they will provide here like level switch low, low, level switch high, high, pressure switch low, low, pressure switch high, high. Some internals of the separator they are showing and pipeline dimension, pipeline details they will show and various instrument signal and electronic signal. So more and more details are providing. Kindly I request you to read my one module is this one. P and ID is there. P and ID module. Please read that module so you can get it that information very well. Materials of construction. So it is that also we have to provide that materials of construction. Then process control system including software integrity, ventilation system design, relief system design and design basis, design codes and standards employed, electrical classification drawings, plot plan. So these are the information providing in process equipment and design. So P and ID will give most of the details. Then materials of construction like engineering drawing and other things. Then control system drawing, including software integrity, ventilation system design, etc. So relief valve and other details design. Design codes for the valves and pipe, other area involved. Electrical classification, electrical drawing separately. So detailed drawings and explanation or documentation will provide for a process and equipment design. Protective system, another one. These are the data on system which either prevent or mitigate incident. Examples include critical alarms, as I said you, level alarm, pressure alarm, flow alarm, temperature alarm, any other alarm is required or not. Critical interlocks we can give, pressure relief and venting system, fire detection and protection protection equipment, emergency isolation valves, effluent treatment system, scrubber and conch tank, etc. So this information provided in protective system area. Then 5 normal and upset condition operating procedure they will provide. Operating procedures should be readily accessible to those who work with or maintain the process. There should be a system for updating procedures to ensure they reflect current operating practice, including changes of process chemistry, technology, equipment, facilities or organization, and regular certification that procedures are current and accurate. So procedures should address step or each operating phase. Mainly it is operating manual, operating training manual, standard operating procedure, how to operate the plant, how to start up the plant, what are the safety features included, what are the precautions we have to take, what is the step involved in starting a process or shut down a process, etc., including in this one. Step for each operating phase including initial startup of a new facility, normal and temporary operation, emergency shutdown, including identification condition which require shutdown, normal shutdown, startup flowing and emergency or normal shutdown, then planned operating limits, various safeguards and other conditions, consequences of deviating from established operating limit, steps required to correct or avoid a deviation from operating limit, safety systems and their functions. Risk management decision should be documented, showing the decision made on the basis on which they were made. This is a sensitive area because of implication for liability and due diligence, uh, and should be carefully coordinated with the company's legal department. Risk assessment. So process risk management decision coming under this category. Risk management decision should be documented, showing the decision made and the base on which they were made. 7. Company memory, management of information. Knowledge and information gained from plant experience, which is likely to be important for future safety of the facility, should be documented in a system so that it is not overlooked or forgotten as personal or organization change. So this is a company memory. Thanks for watching this video. This is a small video. We have to complete. We have to prepare some more important modules from process safety management. Definitely, hopefully, we can do one by one in coming sessions. Thanks for watching this video. Good day.